When it comes to cancer prevention, diet plays a powerful role. Dr. Barbara O'Neill, a proponent of natural health, highlights certain foods that may create an environment where cancer cells thrive. From processed sugars to specific oils, understanding these dietary culprits can help you make smarter choices to support overall health. Here's a look at 6 foods Dr. O'Neill believes are best avoided to reduce cancer risk and promote a healthier, more resilient body. First, refined sugars. Dr. Barbara O'Neill often discusses refined sugars in the context of their impact on health, particularly how they can affect energy levels, immune function, and the risk of chronic illnesses. Dr. O'Neill emphasizes that refined sugars are empty calories, meaning they provide energy without any beneficial nutrients. She argues that, unlike natural sugars found in whole foods, refined sugars lack vitamins, minerals, and fiber, which are essential for balanced nutrition. According to Dr. O'Neill, refined sugars can spike blood sugar levels quickly, leading to a surge of insulin. This can cause a roller coaster effect in blood sugar, leading to highs and lows that may contribute to cravings, fatigue, and even insulin resistance over time. Dr. O'Neill suggests that high sugar intake may weaken the immune system. She believes that when sugar levels are elevated, white blood cells are less effective in fighting infections, which can make the body more susceptible to illness. She claims that refined sugars contribute to inflammation in the body, creating an environment where cancer cells may thrive. She points out that high sugar intake is often linked to weight gain and metabolic issues like type 2 diabetes. She advises cutting back on refined sugars to support better weight management and reduce stress on the pancreas, which is responsible for producing insulin. She advocates for natural sweeteners like honey or fruits, as these contain additional nutrients that support health. She suggests using whole foods as a source of sweetness to avoid the drawbacks associated with refined sugars. Dr. O'Neill's perspective on refined sugars aligns with a holistic approach, recommending reduced intake to prevent blood sugar imbalances, support immune function, and reduce inflammation. Second, processed meats. Dr. Barbara O'Neill points out that processed meats often contain preservatives like nitrates and nitrites, which help extend shelf life and keep the meats looking fresh. She expresses concern that these compounds can convert into nitrosamines when cooked at high temperatures, which are associated with an increased risk of cancer, especially colorectal cancer. According to Dr. O'Neill, processed meats tend to be high in sodium, which can elevate blood pressure and increase the risk of cardiovascular issues. She warns that excessive salt from processed meats can stress the kidneys and contribute to overall dehydration and water retention in the body. Dr. O'Neill emphasizes that many processed meats contain high levels of saturated fats, which can lead to increased cholesterol levels and a higher risk of heart disease. She advises that a diet heavy in processed meats can strain cardiovascular health, especially in individuals who are already predisposed to high blood pressure or heart conditions. She recommends choosing fresh, unprocessed meats or plant-based proteins like legumes, nuts, and seeds, which she considers less likely to have adverse health effects. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on those notifications so you don't miss out on more natural wellness tips. Number 3. Hydrogenated oils. Dr. Barbara O'Neill discusses hydrogenated oils as unhealthy fats created through a process that adds hydrogen to vegetable oils, making them solid at room temperature. She views them as harmful because they create trans fats, which she says can negatively impact health. Dr. O'Neill points out that trans fats from hydrogenated oils can raise bad cholesterol, LDL, and lower good cholesterol, HDL, increasing the risk of heart disease. She explains that these oils may trigger inflammation, which can contribute to conditions like arthritis, diabetes, and other chronic illnesses. She also believes that trans fats interfere with cell membranes, affecting cell function and nutrient absorption, potentially leading to faster cell aging and poorer overall health. Dr. Barbara O'Neill advises choosing natural fats like olive oil or coconut oil, which support heart and cellular health better than hydrogenated oils. Number 4. Artificial sweeteners. Dr. Barbara O'Neill views artificial sweeteners as chemically engineered sugar substitutes that may pose health risks, despite being low or zero calorie. Dr. O'Neill explains that artificial sweeteners can trick the body into thinking it's consuming sugar, which may disrupt insulin response and, over time, contribute to metabolic issues like weight gain or insulin resistance. She suggests that artificial sweeteners might negatively affect gut bacteria, potentially leading to digestive issues or immune imbalances. According to Dr. O'Neill, some artificial sweeteners are linked to headaches, mood swings, and even memory problems in some people due to their chemical makeup. Dr. O'Neill advocates for natural sweeteners like honey or stevia, as they come with additional nutrients and are less likely to interfere with metabolic or gut health. In short, she believes artificial sweeteners, though marketed as safe alternatives, may carry hidden risks for metabolism, digestion, and even mental clarity. Number 5. Microwave popcorn. Dr. Barbara O'Neill raises concerns about microwave popcorn due to the chemicals in both the popcorn itself and the bag. She points out that many microwave popcorn bags are lined with perfluorinated compounds, PFCS, to prevent oil from leaking. When heated, these compounds can break down into harmful substances like PFOA, which may carry health risks over time. She highlights that microwave popcorn often contains artificial butter flavoring and preservatives. These can release volatile compounds, like diacetyl, which she believes may affect respiratory health. Dr. O'Neill notes that some brands of microwave popcorn include hydrogenated oils, trans fats, and excessive salt, which can negatively impact heart health and blood pressure. For a safer snack, Dr. O'Neill recommends air-popping organic popcorn and adding natural seasonings like olive oil or herbs, which keep the snack healthy and free from chemicals. Dr. Barbara O'Neill advises caution with microwave popcorn due to chemical additives, trans fats, and high salt, favoring air-popped options as a healthier choice. Number 6. Alcohol. Dr. Barbara O'Neill discusses alcohol as a substance that can strain multiple systems in the body, even in moderate amounts. She highlights that alcohol is primarily processed by the liver, which works overtime to break it down. Chronic intake can lead to liver inflammation, fatty liver disease, or cirrhosis over time. She points out that alcohol disrupts brain chemistry, which can affect mood, cognitive function, and sleep quality, potentially leading to long-term mental health issues if consumed excessively. Dr. O'Neill suggests that regular alcohol use can weaken the immune system, making the body more susceptible to infections and slowing down recovery time. Alcohol can irritate the digestive tract, increasing stomach acid and potentially leading to issues like acid reflux or ulcers. Incorporating healthier dietary choices can be a simple but impactful step in reducing cancer risk. Dr. Barbara O'Neill's insights remind us that avoiding certain foods, like processed sugars, hydrogenated oils, and highly preserved meats, can limit our exposure to potentially harmful substances that may fuel cancer cell growth. By focusing on whole, nutrient-dense foods, we give our bodies the support they need to defend against illness and maintain optimal health.